We're knocking out excess. I'm trying to salvage the floor. This is after going around. So that's what we're dealing with right there. We're knocking those out so we can come back and re-level the floor. That area is going to be the bathroom. We're going to have to break out a section for the shower drain pipe. We're going to put in a P-trap, and then we're going to do the next side. Where he's standing over there is going to go the commode. Then we have to take down this wall as well. No, there's just a technique to hit it. You watch, I'll hit it in a second. We already found the highest point. We already have it level. This one, the vibration. Bubble is dead center, perfect level, even though we don't have all the right stuff here. So that's what we're going for. All the other holes, we have to come out and clean it, make it look just like that. Knocking those out. That's after, and then before. So this is prep work. Hydrate, stay hydrated. So when you're swinging the sledge, you either want to make whatever you're making contact with, you want to use a section right there to hit. You don't want to hit it flat. You want to hit this. If this is what you're trying to knock out, you want to hit it like that. You hit it a couple of times. Then eventually it will break, and then you change the angle. Then you hit this way, and then you switch it and you hit different ways. That's how you turn this into a machine that can break it faster. You don't have to work hard, just work smart. So the next thing is you decide how long you're gonna go. My stance is like left foot, right foot, just shy of 2 feet. You work your way back and forth, hitting it different angles. And then eventually you knock off a piece. So basically what I'll do now is go from there to about there, and then shell that out, and then come over here and do the same. It's gone. Less than, let's say, a minute. Working on the final phase. So I use the edge and I hit it like that. Then I'll come back and do the same over here, and then you switch and then you hit here working your way away from the wall. Do the same. If you do it like 3 different spots where you don't use the ball of the hammer, you use the edge of it to make contact. If you can see how you're just shelling it off, that's because you're using this like a chisel. This is where you separate the boys from the men. Gone.